Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Neha Doing Makeup. I hope you all are doing well. So recently L'Oreal have launched their lac resistant liquid lipsticks. Yes. So they are available in 10 different shades. I have grabbed myself 4 shades. They are available on all beauty platforms. They retails for 999 rupees, but everywhere the sale is going on. I got my hands from Tira, and it costed me around 600 to 700 each of these. So I total got 1000 rupees discount. So without taking much of your time, let's quickly try these shades. I have got 4 shades. The first shade which I'm going to try is Worth It Medium. We need to first shake it to activate the formula. Let's try their second shade. The second shade which I have got is 220 Paris Sunset. The third shade is 510 Cafe Parisian. Shade which I'm going to try is 550 Noir Cherry. These are the shades which I picked up for myself. Comes with this precise tip applicator. The application is very easy because of this applicator. The brand says that it has got 16 hours of wear formula. You can wear it for 16 hours. It is smudge proof. It is transfer proof. Let's check if it is transfer proof. It is transfer proof and it has got that high shine. Can you see this? This is all worth your money. It is so lightweight on the lips. I'm not feeling sticky, or I'm not feeling, something I have put on my lips which can be very sticky. No, I do not feel that way. It is very lightweight formula. The shine is very real. Also the applicator, it is very nice. So application is going to be super easy and super fun for you. The only thing which you have to remember is to shake to activate the formula and then apply it. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, you all take care of yourself and goodbye.